So good morning everyone. So in last class we have discussed about how to multiply monomial with monomial, as well as we have discussed about monomial with binomial, monomial with trinomial, and also we have discussed about binomial to binomial also. So how to multiply binomial term with binomial term. So today we are going to start our exercise, that is exercise 11.1. So in this, what is first bit we will see. So what is first bit? Find the product of following pairs. They have given some pair values, pair numbers they have given, pair terms. We have to find the product for that. So how to find the product we will see. So what is the first one here? 6, 7k. So how to find the product? We have to find the product of this. So product is nothing but we have to multiply the terms. Product is nothing but we have to multiply the terms. So given 6, 7k. So we have to multiply. So how to multiply 6 into 7k? So how to do monomial with monomial, multiplication of monomial with monomial, how you will do? 6 is also a monomial, 7k is also a monomial. We are multiplying two monomials. So how to multiply two monomials? First you have to multiply the numerical numbers and we have to multiply the variables. So 6 7s are 6 into 7 is how much? 42, and only one variable is there, so you write it as same, that will be 42k. So what is the first one? That is 42k. Okay, next is, what is the second one? Minus 3l comma minus 2m. So minus 3l comma minus 2m. Again we have to find the product of this. So product of minus 3l minus 2m. Product is nothing but we have to do multiplication. So minus 3l into minus 2m. So first what we have to do? We have to multiply the numerical values. And we are having signs here. So minus into minus, minus into minus will be plus. 3 2s is 6. L into m will be lm. So what is the result? Plus 6 lm. Next, third one is minus 5t square minus 3t square. So how to find this? So product of minus 5t square minus 3t square. So multiply the terms. Minus 5t square into minus 3t square. First you multiply the signs. Minus into minus will be plus. 5 3s will be 15. T square into t square. T square into t square. 2 plus 2 will be 4. So t power 4. So what is the result? 15 t power 4 is our result. Next is last fourth one in this, 6 and 3m. So product of 6 and comma 3m. So product is nothing but multiplication. So multiply here 6n into 3m. So plus into plus will be plus. 6 3s are. 6 3s are is how much? 18. N into m will be nm. Last one, minus 5p square minus 2p. Okay. So again product of minus 5p square comma minus 2p. So minus into minus we have to multiply first. Minus 5p square into minus 2p. Okay. So minus into minus will be plus. 5 2s will be 10. Here p power 2 and here you don't have any power, that means it is having 1. Okay. So p square into p. P square into p, that is 2 plus 1 will be 3. So p power 3. So what is the result? 10p cube. So this is our first bit. Second bit you can complete by yourself. Complete the table of the products. You have to multiply each and every term and you have to fill that table. So I am starting the third bit now. So what is third bit? So find the volume of a rectangular box with given length, breadth and height in the following table. So what we have to find? We have to find the volume of rectangular box. So what is the volume of rectangular box formula? That is length into breadth into height. So we have to multiply the length value, breadth value and height value. So first one already they have given. So second one I am doing. So third bit, second one. So what is that? Length value they have given as 3a square. Breadth value they have given as 4. And height value they have given as 5c. What is the height? 5c is the height. So what we have to find? We have to find the volume here. So volume of rectangular box, that is length into breadth into height. So what is that? Volume is equals to, what is the length value? 3a square into what is the breadth value? 4 into what is the height value? 5c. Okay. Now first we have to multiply the numerical numbers. What are numerical numbers? 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 5 4s are 20. 23s are 60. So you got it as 60. A square, here you don't have any variable. A square into c will be a square c. So what is the volume here? 60 a square c. So next third one, that is 3m comma, sorry, length value is 3m, breadth value is 4n and height value is 2m square. So what we have to find? We have to find the volume of rectangular box. So that is length into breadth into height. So volume is equals to, what is the length value? 3m into breadth value is 4n and height value is 2m square. So how to multiply these three monomials? First multiply all the numerical values. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are will be 24. So 24 m into m square. Here m power 1 is there. Here m square is there. M square into m will be equals to m cube and 1m. Okay, so you got the value, volume as 24 m cube n. So next is fourth one. What is the length value? Length value is 6kl, breadth value is 3l square and height value is 2k square. So again, volume of rectangular box is how much? L into B into H. So volume is equals to, what is the length value? 6kl into breadth value is 3l square into height value is 2k square. So first multiply all the numerical values. Now 2 3s are 6, 6 6 is 36. So you got it as 36. K into k square will be k cube. L square into L will be L cube. So you got 36k cube and L cube. So last one in this, fifth one, that is length value they have given as 3 PR, breadth value you got it as 2 QR and height value you got it as 4 PQ. So what we have to find? We have to find volume of a rectangular box. So volume of rectangular box is equals to length into breadth into height. So we have to multiply. So what is the length value? 3 PR into breadth value is 2 QR into height value is 4 PQ. Okay, so first multiply the numerical terms. So 4 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. And how many p's are there? 1 and 2, p square. How many q's are there? Q power 1, q power 1 will be q power 2. How many r's are there? R power 1, R power 1, that is r square. So what is the volume here? V is equals to 24 pq, p square, q square, r square. So this is our third bit. Next, fourth bit. So what is fourth bit? Find the product of the following monomials. Again we have to find the product of monomials only. So first one is what? xy comma x square y, xy and x. Second one AB, a cube b, ab cube. Third one is KL, LM, KM, KLM. And fourth one is PQ, PQR and R. And fifth one is minus 3A, 4AB, minus 6C and D. So what we have to do? We have to find the product of these all given questions. So product is nothing but we have to do multiplication of this monomials. So multiply all the terms. Now product of xy, x square y, xy and x. Product is nothing but multiplication. So multiplication symbol you keep xy into x square y into xy into x. So we have to multiply the terms. First you multiply the x terms. How many x's are there? 1. X is nothing but power 1. Here also power 1. Here also power 1. Y power 1. Y power 1. Y power 1. If you are not seeing any power, that means it is having 1 power. So x power 1 plus x power 2. That will be how many x's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got it as x power 5. Now y's you say, see 1, 2, 3. So what you got? That is y power 3. So after multiplying the monomials, what is the result? X power 5 and y power 3. Now again, product of A, B, AB, A cube B, A B cube. We have to multiply the terms. A into B into AB into A cube B into A B cube. So if you are not seeing any power, that means it is having 1 as power. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Here also 1, here also 1. So how many A's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means A power 6. Now count B's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means B power 6. So what is the result? A power 6 and B power 6. Next, product of KL, LM, KM, KLM. Multiplication symbol you keep KL into LM into KM into KLM. You are not seeing any power, that means it is equals to 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So how many K's are there? 1, 2, 3. So K power 3. Next, L. 1, 1 and 1. That is L power 3. Now coming to m, 1 1 1, that is m power 3. Okay, so next is product of PQ, PQR and R. Multiply the terms. So 1 1 1 1 1 and 1. Okay, how many P's are there? Only 2 P's are there. So P power 2. How many Q's are there? 2 are there. So Q power 2. How many R's are there? Only 2. 1 plus 1 will be 2. So R square. So this is our result. P square, Q square into R square. So next is last one in this. So product of minus 3A, 4AB, minus 6CD. Multiply all the terms. 3A into 4AB into minus 6C into D. That will be, first multiply all the numerical values as well as signs. Minus into minus will be plus, and multiply the terms. 3 4s are 12. 12 6 will be 72. 3 4s are 12. 12 6 is 72. How many A's are there? 1 1. A power 2. How many B's are there? Only 1. How many C's are there? Only 1. And how many D's are there? Only 1. So what is the result? Plus 72 A square B C D. So this is our last question in this bit, that is fifth one, plus 72 A square B C D is our result. So this is how you will multiply monomials with monomials. Next is fifth bit. If A is equals to xy, B is equals to yz, and C is equals to zx, find A, B, C value. A, B, C is nothing but A into B into C value we have to find. Okay, so what we have to find? A into B into C value we have to find. So already they have given A value, B value and C value. So they have what they have given? Given A value as AX, B value as YZ, C value as ZX. What we have to find? We have to find A, B, C. A, B, C is nothing but A into B into C. We have to multiply all the three terms. So what is the A value? XY into B value is YZ into C value is ZX. Now multiply the terms. You are not seeing any power, so 1 1 1 1 1 1. So how many x's are there? 1 2, so x square. How many y's are there? 1 1, that is 1 plus 1 will be 2, so y square. How many z's are there? Z power 1, Z power 1, that will be Z power 2. So this is our ABC value. So ABC is equals to x square, y square, z square. Next, sixth one. If P is equals to 4x square, T is equals to 5x, and R is equals to 5R, 5y, then what is PTR by 100 value? So what is the value of PTR by 100 we have to find. So what they have given? P value they have given as 4x, T value they have given as 5x, R value they have given as 5y. So what we have to find? PTR by 100 we have to find. PTR is nothing but P into T into R. We have to multiply all the terms. So what is the P value? 4x square into T value is 5x, R value is 5y by 100. Okay, now multiply all the terms here. 5 5s are 25, 25 4s is 100. X square into x power 1 will be x power 3, and only one y is there. I wrote y as it is by 100. So 100 ones are 100 ones will get cancelled. So what is the result? X cube y is our result. So seventh one you can try it by yourself. So what is the question? Write some monomials of your own and find their product. So we have to find, you have to write some monomials by yourself and you have to find the products of that monomials. Any monomials you can write, and you have to find the product for that. So next exercise will continue in next class. Thank you.